Okay guys, what we're going to do is set up a chromatography experiment that you can do at home. Okay, so all you're going to need is a glass of water, just a very small amount of water in the bottom, piece of kitchen roll, or in this case I've got a McDonald's napkin, a pencil, you must use a pencil for the pencil line, some pens, any colours were fine, 3 or 4 pens would be good, something like a cocktail stick or a skewer or something that you can attach the top of your paper to, and a ruler, and possibly some sellotape. Okay, so these are what you're going to need. So the first thing you're going to do, okay, is measure how far up your water comes in your beaker so you can get an accurate reading. Okay, so that's about 1.5 centimeters. So we're going to draw a pencil line on our paper above that water level. Okay, so it's going to be about, for us, it's going to be about 2 centimeters up the paper line. Okay. Yours will may be different. Okay. So you're going to draw a straight line across there, okay, at the point where above the water level. Okay, it's really important that the pencil line, and remember it is a pencil line with pencil, is above the water level. Okay, so once you've drawn your pencil line, okay, with your pencil, you're then going to use your pens to place dots along that pencil line. Okay, so you can use any colors you want. We've got a black, a red, a blue, and a pink. Okay, so you're going to place dots along that pencil line. So we've chosen the black first. These need to be spaced out so that they don't run into each other. Okay. And we're also going to keep the order that we've done those in so that we know which order the dots are in. So we've got a black, purple or pink, orange or red, and a blue dot along our pencil line. So the next thing we're going to do, okay, is take our skewer and we're going to attach our paper towel or our napkin to the top of our skewer. Now we need to work out how high that needs to be. So we're going to take our napkin and check the height of it to make sure that the paper touches the water. And then we're going to take a piece of sellotape and stick that and attach our paper towel. Okay. If you don't have sellotape or paper towel, you can just hold it, but it will take a little while. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is place our paper towel into our glass. So I'm just going to move the camera so we can see this properly. Okay. Okay, now you may need to put a little bit more water into your glass. Okay. As you can see, we're not quite at the right height, which is fine. We're just going to get hold of a little drop more water, okay, just to add, and it's better to do it this way than to have too much. So I'm going to take the paper towel out. We're going to add a little bit more water into our glass. And you can see that's enough. Okay, we're just getting, our water is starting to run up our paper. Okay, I am just going to add a tiny drop more, just to get it Now, ours has gone slightly at an angle, which means our chromatography will run at a slight angle, but that's fine. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and then in a moment we'll have a look at where it's got to. Okay, so our chromatography looks like it has just about stopped now. Okay, which means we're going to remove the napkin or the chromatography paper from the glass. Okay, and we're going to lay it down flat onto the table. You can leave this, you need to leave it for a few minutes for it to run. Okay, and the one thing we're going to do now, okay, that before we do anything else, is mark with a pencil where the water has reached. Okay, so just going to do a little pencil line to show where the water has reached to. That is what we call our solvent front. Okay, now you can see that the solvent front is slightly at an angle. What will happen is the rest of the water will continue to rise until it reaches that point. It may be that it continues to go a little bit further. That's fine. Okay, we'll keep an eye on it, and then we'll look later on at our results. Okay.